If your Honda Odyssey's forward collision warning and lane departure warning lights are on, it usually signals a temporary issue, not a complete system failure. These systems are part of Honda sensing, designed to enhance safety by alerting drivers to potential collisions or lane drifts. These systems use radar and camera sensors located on the front grille for collision detection and behind the rearview mirror for lane monitoring. Common causes include sensor obstructions from dirt or debris, calibration needs after tire changes or alignments, electrical or software glitches, and environmental factors like fog or heavy rain. Check your dashboard for the FCW and LDW warning lights to confirm the issue. To address the issue, start by inspecting the sensors on your front grille for any blockages. Cleaning them with a soft cloth may resolve the problem. Additionally, Honda has released software updates to fix these glitches. You can often reset the system yourself. First, ensure your sensors are clean. Then, try resetting the system via the vehicle's information display or an OBD scanner. Apps and tools exist that allow you to scan and reset codes without a dealership visit. Honda engineers state that 80% of these issues are preventable with regular sensor cleaning. If the lights persist, it could indicate a deeper problem, such as a faulty sensor module or wiring issue. In such cases, professional diagnosis and recalibration might be necessary to avoid compromising safety and warranties.